everybody, my name's Ellie and welcome back to episode 5 of Google Ads for Dummies. In today's episode, we'll be looking at the advantages of the search query report, also known as an SQR. An SQR is a vital tool within Google Ads that provides a comprehensive list of the search terms entered by users that trigger the display of your Google Ads. This report offers valuable insights into the specific search terms users employ when engaging with your ads. It's important to note that the SQR is updated daily and provides data relevant to the past 30 days. The insights that you gain from the SQR are great for refining your Google Ads keywords list, expanding your audience reach and optimizing the performance of your ads. You'll be able to identify which search terms generate the highest clicks, impressions and conversion rates, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, the SQR helps you uncover search terms that are costing you money without delivering meaningful impressions or clicks. So with this information, you can designate these irrelevant searches as negative keywords, preventing your ads from appearing or incurring costs when these terms are used in searches. Here's a more structured explanation of how to access and use the search query report in your Google Ads account. Start by selecting the specific campaign or ad group where you want to review the SQR. Next, click on the Keywords tab within your chosen campaign or ad group. From the Keywords tab, look for the option to access search terms. Click on it. You can select the date range that best suits your analysis needs, whether it's past week, month, or a custom date range. Now you'll see a list of search terms that users have entered, triggering your ads. This list provides insights into how people are finding your ads through their search queries. Look for search terms that align with your campaign goals and are performing well in terms of clicks, impressions, and conversions. These are potential candidates to add as keywords. On the flip side, identify search terms that are costing you money without delivering results. These ads can be added as negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing when these terms are searched. And there you have it. With a new campaign, you'll want to check your search term report more regularly to make sure you're not serving on completely irrelevant searches, but can drop down the frequency once your search terms require less pruning. I hope this was useful, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.